In our next example, let us focus on the mussel or tahong in Filipino. Let me zoom in here. And here we are going to use different lasso tools. So again, you are free to use different tools in selecting the sea creatures because for me at least, using the lasso tools is a bit tricky. So you can find this in the third icon from the top, right click, and then let us select lasso tool. So let me zoom in again. From here, it is a free selection by using your mouse, and then you will have to trace the mussel. Okay? Let me press Ctrl D. Going back to the tools bar, right click. Now I will use polygonal lasso tool. This one is for me the most challenging as compared to the other three or other two lasso tools. So you'll have to left click, and then you might also want to use your Alt key. Okay? And then you will trace the mussel until you complete it. Okay? So you have to make sure that this is enclosed. I will press Ctrl D. Last one is magnetic tool. So I will right click in the tools bar and then select magnetic lasso tool. Let me zoom in. Here, it sticks to your layout. Okay? So you can left click if you want, and it automatically sticks like a magnet. Now I have already selected the mussel using magnetic lasso tool. Next, I am going to duplicate the layer by pressing Ctrl J or Command J in Mac, and then select the Move tool in the tools bar. From here, I can now transfer this item to the frame. Let me zoom out. Okay, next, we need to turn this upside down by choosing Free Transform. So you can either press Ctrl T or in the menu bar, go to Edit tab and then select Free Transform. So from here, you can place your cursor outside the rectangle. Once you see that curved arrow, left click and then move this here. Okay? Now to commit the changes, you can either press enter or select the check icon in the options bar. Now let us go to the next example.